Hello friends, myself Harshit MPS pass out. I got 95% in CBSE 12 board, 98 in accounts and 98 in eco. All because of Sumit sir and Neha. The way Sumit sir teaches his students is awesome. That an average student can also get a huge score in CBSE 12 board. Sir handles every student, the weakest one and the toppers one equally. The way he focus on the weakest one, help the toppers one and the weakest one also. He clears every single logic by connecting it to the real life. I joined Base Institute in class 11 and continued in 12th. Base Institute is the only one which provides us recorded lectures and support with live lectures. If you have missed the class, you can cover it from the recorded lectures. It is very beneficial for every student that he can revise at the time of exam from the recorded. Jaipur Base Institute is the only institute that provides recorded lectures better. Accounts was very new to me in class 11. The way he teaches me, the way he teaches to every one of his students, it makes that interesting and very new. An average student can easily get 80 to 85 marks in eco. But if we have to get 98, 99 marks, we have to clear our doubts, clear our concepts. That I found here in class of Neha ma'am. She is very good in clearing our doubts, clearing our concepts. She took live examples, current affairs, demonetization, and this is very helpful to every student. According to me, if you are taking commerce, you should join Base Institute because Sumit sir अपने students का हाथ exam तक कभी नहीं छोड़ते.